na lang kami ng time. Time check. It's already 9:12. Waiting pa kami sa ano. Anong oras nga tayo pupunta ng ano? 11:30. Right. Let's go. See you in airport. Ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa airport. Sa NAIA Terminal 3. Time check. It's already 12:05. Waiting kami mag-check-in ng baggage.
Malapit.
Hindi yan, malayo yan.
Yung mga pores natin.
Hello. Hello, Doc. Na anong masasabi mo? Ang tagal-tagal ng ano natin. Wala pa oh. Nainis ka na ba?
Oo. Parang ano na ako dito.
Ano na ba oras?
Parang puno. Tinubuan ng mga ugat.
12:13 na. Tagal mag-open ng ano. Yung aming airline is Greater Bay Airline. Parang may tao na. Ayun oh. May tao na. Ayan si attorney, si Mai. Say hi. Vloggers. Ayun si Marco. Yan yung aming ano. Yan yung nag-organize ng tour namin. Hindi muna natin siya disturban kasi nag-checka siya sa mga pinsan niya na mga rich people daw. Ay nako, excited na si Doc. Mamaya na ako matulog. Kasi after ng immigration, matulog ako.
Hindi ba sa plano?
Yeah. Sige. Ayan. Natapos na kami sa immigration. Tapos yun. Na. Employment.
Ano lang yung trabaho, yun lang.
Ayan. We're here now at Hong Kong International Airport. Stop na kami. Time check, it's already 6:50. 50. Baby! Bakla! Say hi!
Hi.
Suplado naman ni Doc. Yan. Sasakay kami ng train.
列车即将到达。
Let's go. Hi, Doc.
Hindi naman ako kalapit.
Ayan. Paano na kami ng immigration. Pack. Hooray. Ubo ka man, Besh.
Oras na, Mark? Anong oras na, Mark? Ay lang.
Ayun na yung ano.
Kunan mo.
Ayaw nga, no? Ano yan? Mga...
TWC.
Ay, mga tea.
Oo, ganda.
Ay, wait. Dito na tayo. Yan. Nagwalay-walay na daw. Magkita tayo ng 12:30.
Bala na kung sino. Nakakit na sa taas.
Saan tayo?
Kayo. Ako wala akong trip. Tingin-tingin lang kami na April. Mahanap na.
Tingin-tingin na lang din. We're here in McDonald's. Ayan, sleeping time mo na. Ito mag-iiglip na rin. Medyo matagal pero ano namin. Mga 2 p.m. Time check, it's already 9:35. 9:38 pa lang. Ay, naku. Tagal. Alright. Ano na. It's already 11:21. Meet up na kami doon sa may meeting place. Since malapit na mag-12:30. Andyan na yung mga kasama namin. Let's go. Let's go, Doc. Let's go na. Doc. Let's go na.
Let's go.
Alright.
Let's go
Yan.
to China.
Iglip-iglip kami mga... Siguro dalawang 30 minutes ako. Ayan. Let's eat. This is our lunch. Here in Hong Kong. Yun. Sarap yung kay ate. Ay April. May tonkatsu. Same kami ni Doc. Sarap. Yes. Let's go. Nanginginig na kami. Ayan! Papasok na kami ng plane going to Gili. Going to Gili. Yes. Ayan. Hey! Ayan. Bye-bye Hong Kong. See you on Friday. Friday now, Doc?
See you Friday.
Yeah.
See you next month.
Wow! Maiwan ka dito! Maiwan ka.
Wala ka dyan.
Writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space, till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. What the grass smell green and the air feels sane. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain. Used to chase things that would run from me. Now I sit still, let the peace come free. Paint a verse in the sky with a loose leaf. While the moon do a dance with a soft oak tree. Let it ride, let it be, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on three. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. I've been good, I've been gone, I've been lost in the loops. Got a hoodie and some headphones, walking with troops. Ain't no answers in the feed, just noise and flex. But I found God once in a vinyl set. Talk slow when I speak, let the moment stretch. Learn peace ain't found, it's a thing you protect. Yeah, I vibe like water, I change and shift. But the roots still deep like my grandma's grits. City move fast, but I drift like smoke. Let the rhythm in my chest be the way I cope. Wrote a song for the days that feel soft and broke. Where the healing don't shout, but it still got hope. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on three. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on three. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back.
Welcome to Gili in China.
Special electronic deposit. Please take care when opening the overhead compartments, as all transits are being fallout. Please ensure that you have all your belongings when leaving the aircraft. If you 安全带，直到痕迹完全停泊即扣上安全带账号续费为止。你现在可以使用干电子用品，请小心打开行李架，以免保护。
Ayan. Baba na kami ng plane. Rebounds. Ay, lamig. First floor. Lamig. Diyos ko Lord, nararamdaman ko na yung lamig. After naman ng China custom na. Ching, chang, chang, chang.
Anong kailangan?
Welcome to China Immigration. Yeah. Kaninong ano to, chorizo. Ito medyo jumbo. Yan, Chinese store dito sa loob ng
6 pieces.
airport. Ano pa kami, nag-wait pa kami sa isa namin kasama na sira yung ano niya, bagahe. Ayun. Ayun namin siya. Shish! Kalamig! Bakla, kalamig! So, gagawa namin. Lamig! Grabe. As per check, 10 degrees yung temperature ngayon. Ayun. Oh my God, bakla! Ang lamig! Ayan ang mga kasama. Woo! I like it! Malamig! Let's go! Papunta na kami sa aming sa aming bus. Hello! Welcome to my vlog. Charot. Welcome to Gillian. Papunta na kami na natin ng bus. Yun. Ano yung color yellow? Yun ba yun? Uy! This color ito lang eh. Let's go! God! Lamig! Yan. Punta na kami ng bus. Alright! Yan na. Thank you!
Thank you.
Ano siya?
Cereal.
Oh!
Chestnut.
Nice.
Oh, large chestnut.
Let's eat. Let's eat. Let's eat. Complimentary snack.
Elementary pa lang.
Ayan. Ano pangalan? Macau Restaurant? Social naman? GoPro. Nag-ano kasi... Ayan. A triple C. Nag-Shopee sa Manila. Kasi hindi Oh. Wow. Ay. Ayan. Bakla, share. Ay. Saan ako? Dito? Goni. Goni. Ako din. Yeah. Happy big family.
Awinda ako may birthday party.
Say hello.
Eh, normal kasi po sa China, ganito ang kain. So, saka tayo.
Hot party kami. Ang init na. Let's go. Dinner time. Complimentary, complimentary beer. Wow, naintindihan mo? Yes. Okay. Ang galing-galing ni Doc. Ayan, mga mga foods. Yeah. Please put me some duck. Op. Thank you. Isa lang. Ay, sige pa. Kalate lang. Ano yan? Tofu?
Gulay na may chicken.
Ah, sige, sige. I-try natin yan. I-try natin yan. Try na. Ay! Ay, yung ano man tawag yun at ano, bakla na noodles. Wonton. Ano ba ito? Ano ba yan? Basta nakakain yun sa yan. Let's eat. Parang tofu ito. Mushroom siya. Yan. Gutom ka, Dok. Ako slight lang kasi nag-ramen. Good. Ayun, tapos na kami mag-dinner. Super busog na. Dito sa Macau Restaurant. Dito yung first namin, dinner. And time check, it's already 7:20. Ilang degrees tayo ngayon? Basta yung nakikita ko nasa 10 degrees eh. Sobrang lamig. Na ano, wait lang. Check natin. I-check natin. Ilan ang wait. Ayan, nasa 10 degrees. Woo! Hintayin na tayo sa mga kasama mag-Cora. Let's go. Ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa Wingate, Windham. First night at William. Ayan. First night namin dito. Right? Check-in na tayo. Dami. Ang dami. Pasok kasi malamig. Alright, ang dami. Meron kaming bus 1 and bus 2. May vending sila. Bus number 2. Ayan, waiting for our rookies.